Editing your Behance URL allows you to customize your profile link for a more professional and personalized touch. Here's how to change it. Log into Behance. Visit Behance and sign in with your credentials. Access your settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. Go to Edit Profile. In the Settings panel, you will see various options on the left-hand side. Click on Edit Profile. Change your URL. In the Basic Info section of your profile settings, you will find a field labeled Profile URL or Public Web Address. Here, you can enter a new custom URL. Your Behance URL will look like this. Make sure the URL is easy to remember and reflects your professional identity, such as your name or brand. Save changes. After entering your desired URL, scroll down and click Save to confirm the changes. If the URL is available, it will be updated immediately. Test your URL. Open a new browser tab and enter the updated link to ensure it works.